Okay, so this is the last big step we're going to be doing together. What we're going to do is something that's really pretty special in the conversational programming. And, I want you to realize that we have actually done quite a bit together here. We've created 7 different operations here. We started off with drilling, then we went to facing, and then we went to the perimeter profile, and then we did the 2 rovals. And then I let you do the large circular pocket and the through circular pocket, or whatever you called them, on your own. The neat thing that we're going to do right now is we're going to take all of these and we're going to combine them together into one program, which is really pretty cool. That way, when you're at the machine, you're not having to load one program after another, and restart the programs. Instead, you'll have one file and you just say, boom, run this one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the first one that we have, and that was our drilling cycle. And I want to take that one and I'm going to go down here to this little file clipboard options. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to say copy. Then I'm going to click on it again and I'm going to say paste. And so you can see that then it created a new file that says drilling copy NC. Again, the reason why I picked the drilling cycle is that's the first thing that we did. What I also want to do now is I'm going to go down to rename. And when I do rename, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to say bearing plate complete. So I've given it a name that I know, hey, this is the whole darn thing. Of course, right now, all it is just a copy of the drilling cycle, but you just wait. So here we are, bearing plate complete right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that one, we're going to go down here to this icon that says Conversational Edit. And when we click on that, then it opens up this file. And it shows what that cycle is in our little preview here of the toolpath. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be inserting a file. And the file that we're going to insert is the next step. That next step, open up that bearing plate folder again, and we're going to add in our facing operation. That's what we did next. I'm just going to say OK. Alrighty, I like that. Now, I'm going to insert another file. That next one was the perimeter. So we're going to click on that one, and we're going to say OK. Oh, but look what happened. It did perimeter before facing, and that's not the operation I wanted. So what I can do, that's not a big deal at all. What I can do is I can click on that, and I can say move down. And now let's insert a new file. Next up, we did the 2 rovals. Let's do roval left first. Alright, well, okay, I need to adjust these, obviously. I'm good here. Bearing plate facing perimeter. That's all good. Now, through circular pocket. Okay, large circular pocket. I did that second to last. Oops. Oops. Oh, I wanted the whole function here. This. And I'm going to say move down. And move down. And then it really doesn't matter, but I'm going to do the roval left and the roval right. That's the order that I did them in. Okay, so that whole thing is everything I have. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save. It is saved as bearing job complete. And now we get a new view over here, and this view is really pretty neat. What it shows is all of the toolpaths together. And so what it's showing here, it's there's so much going on. It's a little hard to see, but it has a drilling toolpath coming right down through the middle, and a drilling toolpath down over here, and a drilling toolpath down over here. It has the facing. That one's the big, obvious rectangular spiral. Then it also has, if you look down here, it has the profile cuts around the outside there. It also has, if you see those little squiggly lines in white right there, that's the little passes that it made to do the rovals. And then you can see the obvious circular pattern right there. And what you may not see is that there's another one down in there. That's a little bit deeper because that's the through hole that goes all the way through. So I actually have something here that looks exactly like all the toolpaths that I need. Actually go to File. What we'll do is we'll load that again. I can click Load G Code, or I can double click on here, whichever one I want to do. There it is. Let's look at it in its isometric view. And there is all of those together. I just moved to this screen because this is the one that we have been moving to. I'm going to hit Print Screen. And then I'm going to go to my example toolpaths, click on that, and I'm going to say All Toolpaths. Or you could say bearing plate complete, whichever one you want to do. And then you're going to do Control V for paste. There you got it. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be uploading this file to me as evidence that you did all this. And you are now pretty well versed in doing PathPilot and conversational programming. So congratulations, good job.